What's going on, guys? Samuel Bouret here with Adorama TV, and today I'm going to show you two different lighting styles for athletic images and how it changes the mood of the image. Let's go shoot. In this shoot, I wanted to show how lighting alone can completely change the mood of an athletic photo shoot. We're shooting the same subject in the same space, but lighting it two very different ways. For the first look, I went high key and energetic. The model is wearing a blue athletic set, so I chose yellow as a complementary color for the backdrop to keep the image bright, fresh, and dynamic. To light the background, I used two Flashpoint eVOLV 200 Pro 2 strobes, one on each side, both with 40-inch white umbrellas to create an even, clean wash of light. For my key light, I used the Flashpoint xplor 600 Pro 2 with a reflector placed on camera right. Because I knew this would leave her left side a bit too dark, I added a fill light, the Flashpoint xplor 400 Pro 2 with a 60-inch Glow EZ lock softbox to lift the shadows. I'm shooting this on the Canon R5 with the RF 28 to 70mm lens. For moments like this, Flashpoint strobes have a feature called freeze mode, explicitly designed to capture fast action while keeping motion razor sharp. My model is a professional ballerina, which means incredible control, strength, and movement. All right, let's shoot. For the second look, I wanted something completely different, low-key and moody. This time, I used the Flashpoint xplor 600 Pro 2 and 400 Pro 2 as my key lights, placing one on each side of the model, both with 1x4 strip softboxes to create more directional light and deeper shadows. To add separation and mood to the background, I exposed the cyc wall with a subtle gradient coming from the bottom left. For that, I used the Flashpoint eVOLV 200 Pro 2 with a 40-inch white umbrella. I also switched up my perspective for this look, shooting tighter headshots using the Canon RF 15 to 35mm f2.8. Same subject, same space, two lighting setups and two completely different moods. All right, guys, that's a wrap. This is a perfect example of how lighting can change the mood of an image. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.